Magluto tayo ng fishball with spicy sauce. Gagamit tayo ng 1 cup cornstarch, kalahating cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 3 tablespoon sugar. Add na natin ng 1 piece mashed fish fillet, spring onion, garlic, and onion chop. Lagyan ng tubig about 3/4, depende how big the fish is. Tansyahin nyo na lang po. Mix very well. Magprito na po tayo. Gumamit ako ng 2 kutsara to scoop the butter and try to shape it into a ball. Fry until golden brown. I-continue lang po natin ang process sa pag-shape hanggang maubos ang mixture sa pagprito. For the sauce, boil tayo ng 2 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon suka, 1 cup water, 4 tablespoon brown sugar, then add garlic, sili at onion. Then pag kumulo na, add na ang cornstarch na 1.5 tablespoon na may tubig. Stir and cook at least 2 minutes and done. O tapos na, kainan na!